I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes? I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter I. These words start with I. Igloos, infants, and iguanas. Igloos, infants, and iguanas all start with I. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter I with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big I or the little I? Okay, let's draw the big I first. Draw a line. That's it, that's all. You did such a good job. Stand nice and tall. Great job drawing a big I. Now let's draw the little I. Draw a little line. Put a dot on top. Now let's take a hop, hop, hop. Great job. Let's do that again. Draw a little line. Put a dot on top. Great job, friends. Let's hop, hop, hop. Thank you for learning and moving with us. I hope you had a great time meeting the letter I. Bye for now.